Hey guys, hello, and welcome to another episode of my vlog. And today we'll be going to two places. We'll be going to, at least one, let's put it this way. So we'll be going to Volubilis, which is like an ancient Roman town, ruins of an ancient Roman town, one of the biggest here in the area in North Africa. It's around, 15, 16 degrees and rainy. That's why I took this umbrella. Yes, they sell umbrellas in Morocco. I had to wake up pretty early, around 6:20. My train departed at 7:37 from Ville, from the city center, and after roughly 2 hours, 2.5, I arrived here in Meknes. From Meknes, apparently there is a shared cab. So guys, now I'm in the cab, and apparently yes, I found a cab. I'll try to pinpoint the exact place, or apparently it costs 12 dirham to get there. Now I have to figure out how to communicate with the driver and tell him that I'll be getting out earlier. To reach Volubilis, start by taking a train to Meknes. Once there, head to the Meknes Ville Nouvelle and ask locals for the specific taxi stand with shared taxis heading to Moulay Idriss. Shared taxis are a common mode of transportation in Morocco and are both affordable and convenient. Inform the taxi driver you wish to get off at the big roundabout just before the taxi turns right towards Moulay Idriss. From this drop-off point, enjoy a scenic half-hour walk along the picturesque road. The journey is a treat in itself, offering views of rolling hills, herds of sheep, and the stunning backdrop of the Rif Mountains. So guys, I hope you're able to hear me. I don't want to shout, but anyways, so if you want to go to Volubilis, you gotta get out at this roundabout behind my back, and and then walk. So I'll be walking for around half an hour. A big shout out to two young people who helped me in Meknes, especially one young lady who spoke really good English. So it's a shout out to you, and I'm sure you'll do great in Canada. The nature here, the olive trees and the cliffs, the hills, it's so beautiful. I mean, really nice, and it reminds me of Sicily a little bit. It's so green, and the air quality, absolutely great. Volubilis, located near Meknes in Morocco, is an ancient Roman city and UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for its well-preserved ruins. Originally a Berber settlement around the 3rd century BCE, it later flourished under Roman rule from 42 CE, becoming a major agricultural and trade hub, known for its olives and grain. The city features classic Roman architecture, including temples, a basilica, and intricate mosaics. After the Romans withdrew in the late 3rd century CE, Volubilis remained under Berber and later Islamic control before being largely abandoned by the 11th century. Excavations in the 20th century revealed its historical significance, making it a prominent symbol of Morocco's rich and layered history. Let the story begin, a day in Volubilis, from dawn to dusk. As the sun rises over the fertile plains surrounding Volubilis, the city awakens to the hum of activity. Farmers begin their day early, tending to olive groves and wheat fields that stretch beyond the city walls. The aroma of freshly pressed olive oil wafts from numerous mills, where workers operate large stone presses to extract the liquid gold that is vital to the city's economy. Shepherds lead their flocks through the countryside, while traders prepare their goods, grapes, ceramics, and textiles, for the bustling market. By mid-morning, the Forum, the city's central hub, comes alive. Merchants set up stalls selling produce, oils, and imported goods like glassware from Rome and spices from Africa. The chatter of townsfolk mingles with the clanging of artisans in workshops crafting mosaics, pottery, and tools. In the capital temple, priests conduct rituals, offering sacrifice to Jupiter, Juno, and Minerva, while citizens gather to observe or seek divine blessing. Wealthier residents spend their time in lavish villas, the courtyards adorned with intricate mosaics depicting scenes of Roman mythology and daily life. Afternoons in Volubilis are marked by leisure and socializing. The public baths are a focal point, offering citizens a place to cleanse, relax, and converse. Men and women in separate areas enjoy the warm waters, massages, and gossip about city affairs. Children play in the streets, chasing each other through the colonnaded walkways, while elders sit in the shade, sharing tales of Roman conquests and local lore. As the day winds down, families gather for their evening meal, often featuring fresh bread, olives, and seasoned meat. The city streets glow under the setting sun, and the Triumphal Arch casts long shadows over the main avenue. As night falls, the city grows quieter, save for the occasional sound of a celebration in one of the villas or the rhythmic chanting of a religious ceremony. Life in Volubilis reflects a harmonious blend of Roman sophistication and rural simplicity. From dawn to dusk, its inhabitants embody the resilience and creativity that made this frontier city a vital part of the Roman Empire, thriving on the edge of Africa's vast landscapes. I hope you enjoyed this episode about Volubilis. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep living your best life. Talla. Oh, by the way, the ticket costs 70 dirham.